Welcome to our It's Electra series.
In this series, we're going to share with you gear based on and inspired by the Electra distortion circuit.
Join us on this journey where we get the most tone out of the least circuit. Today we're looking at the MPC-8 tube sound cartridge. It's in the MPC collection.
So this would be, if you go back and watch the premiere for the whole series, this is the cartridge that has the Electra distortion circuit in it. And that's all I'm going to say, kind of, because there's still some question about that. There's still some question out there. We've found some new stuff. We're not going to get in the weeds today. Today, we're going to assume that it is the MP8 tube sound, is the Electra distortion. But in a future video, who knows? Who knows? So there's some weeds to get into.
Yes.
There's a rabbit hole being gone down, but we're not there yet. So really, we're just going to document this cartridge. I should say, this is one of the very early cartridges. It's a solid block of epoxy. There's no plastic cartridge. It weighs about 40 pounds.
This just became a real Les Paul.
Yeah, I mean, considerably heavier than the plastic ones.
So the MPC guitar in position 3, both pickups in phase. Tyler JT22, dispatch master, little reverb. I don't remember what I was playing. So you can hear it's kind of on the edge of breakup with these hotter pickups here. So I have it set at 0, which would be the least amount of gain, and it would sound like I don't like what I was playing, but we'll do it again. The most amount of gain.
Cool. Run it in the box?
Yeah. Because we have it. Guess without dropping anything. If I can get this out in like a carpal tunnel.
Alright, so, and there it is. Solid block of epoxy.
Previous episode. In case you're wondering what we filmed right before this.
And a big shout out, thank you again to Tom for sending these over, because without him we wouldn't have had... Never would have had one of these original.
We wouldn't have both kidneys if it weren't for Tom. If we had to go buy these.
Right. Alright, so... PRS McCarty, the box with the MP8 in it.
Does it clean up? We did a little try with the cleanup on some of
Yeah, it doesn't get super dirty. I mean, not... So yeah, I would say it cleans up.
All right.
Switch over to Strat.
I'm going to have it on 2. Just to get... it doesn't get dirty. Not real dirty.
And that's even kind of edge of breakup as it is. Normally that would push that over the top. So a little different than I expected. And there might be a reason for that.
Right. There might be.
There might be a reason for that.
Sounds a little softer.
Yeah, maybe. Anything else?
That was the first time we tried it, in case you couldn't tell. Sometimes we've noodled around with it. That was really cold. On the cold. New phrase, on the cold. Words is hard.
We're at the point of the night where it was like, do we do one more or do we stop while we're ahead?
And do we do the one that we think is the one?
Right.
With a certain level of expectation based on pedals that we've done and not the cartridge.
Right.
We're a little confused.
With that, we appreciate everybody who's watching, sticking, coming on the journey with us. Thank you for hitting subscribe, clicking the notification bell, like button, leaving comments down below. Anytime you interact with the show, any interaction really helps us out, helps us keep doing this. And we appreciate that. And so with that,
I'm PJ on behalf of the Beard, reminding you, no matter what you hear, you never have too much gear. I don't know what I'll play. I'll play something, I guess. I want to end on something soft.